Dr. Paul here. This is a long-awaited day where we're going to look at what just came from YouTube. But before I do that, I want to give you a little history. The guy behind the camera, Noah, who happens to be my son, has a channel called Big No-No. You've got to go check it out. This channel now is about mental health, physical health, wellness, emotional health, addiction and recovery, and specifically he really helps men with being emotionally vulnerable, which is something we guys struggle with terribly. So check out Big No-No on YouTube. It is a resource that I can't even begin to describe how important it is. Now on to the purpose of this video is our 1,000,000 subscriber button. I owe this channel's success to the guy behind the camera, Noah. He came to me 8.5 years ago. Now his channel was taking off for about 6 months or maybe 9 months, and he says, "Dad, we gotta get you on YouTube." Some of you have heard this story. And I was like going, no, I'm a busy doctor. There's no way I'm gonna take the liability, for one thing, of being on YouTube. And basically he begged me. It was gonna give him something to do to save his life because he was really struggling at the time. And what's a dad to do but say, okay, you know, it's one of the top pediatric channels on the planet, and I owe it to the guy behind the camera.
But yourself.
Well, I did a little bit of the work along the way. Holy moly. Presented to Paul Thomas, MD, oh, that's me, and the guy behind the camera, for passing 1,000,000 subscribers. Our YouTube button. Oh, this is really cool. I gotta get it out of plastic so it shines. Oh my gosh, this is gold. I can see my face, and there's the guy behind the camera. Check that out. There he is, Big No-No himself. Man, this is sweet. This is really sweet. In the YouTube button, well, we want to give gratitude to you, our viewers. It is with your support that this has happened, and it means the world to us. We will continue and do our best to continue to bring you the amazing content you've been used to, and new stuff, right? Because we're always just going with where we're being led. And so this is your channel, this is our channel. Thank you for your support over the years. I'm Dr. Paul, and there's the producer. Get yourself in the camera, buddy.
I'm there.
Okay, awesome. Thanks for watching. Dr. Paul and Noah.
Just to think of, what was it? Like 400 subscribers after year one, I think. Like actually, 400 subscribers after year one.
It was a real slow go in the beginning.
I think by 2 or 3 years we had 4,000 or 5,000.
Yep.
And then our viral video and everything changed.
What was your viral video, by the way?
It was an earwax removal with Mom.
Your mother.
Yeah.
Willing to take one for the team.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
It's pretty crazy.
Pretty crazy.
The likelihood of being able, a channel being able to support itself or support the creators of the channel, at least as far as how they measure cost of living and bills, it's 1 in like 600,000.
Probably harder than being a doctor.
It's very unlikely. This was my dream, for us to have a successful channel and to be able to support my life and make a living doing something unorthodox, because I was with Douglas Block and his depression support group, and I wasn't getting better for about 1.5 years, and he told me that he thought it would be a good idea if I found a way that was unconventional to support myself based on the uncertainty of mental health, and YouTube made sense to me. Yeah, it worked out. Yeah, we are the most successful pediatric YouTube channel in the world.
Thanks, son.
Bravo. Thank you everyone who watches our channel, whether you've seen us once, you've come back for lots of different episodes, you've shared, you've commented, anything. We're grateful. It's a busy world. There's a lot of people fighting for your attention. So if you've ever given even a little bit to us, I'm humbled, I'm grateful, it's pretty cool.
Likewise.
All right, thanks guys.
Thank you.
This is for you, and a little bit for me too, actually. And a little bit for him too.